Candy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, people, Sir Ray.
And thank you for attending our
Yes, po.
immediate request for your presence. And we're here to discuss business. Is that all right, Candy?
Yes, po.
Okay. Candy, how young are you?
Good po, Sir Ray.
What is your age? How young are you?
Not totally